Boom! I'm saying to you hello from this autumn field out here in Lithuania. If you're watching this video, probably you are the fan of wakeboarding or you're keen to try it. For your knowledge, cable wakeboarding is super popular out here in Lithuania. We have 30 plus outdoor wake parks around the country and it's a perfect runaway during the summer holidays. But what to do when the temperature goes down? Turkey, Egypt could be an option. Or check out this. So guys, as you can see, we are already inside Girstutė swimming pool in Kaunas. When I first time heard about this place, I thought it's way too small for wakeboarding, but when I tried myself, I realized it has a lot of potential to increase your shredding level. So behind me is 50-meter swimming pool with the cable system over here, and in this swimming pool you can train on the flat water or with the kicker. That's your option. So let's get dressed and start the session. Woo!
After proper warm-up, it was time to jump into the water, and first was the first-timer Dovydas. Cable operator gave him basic info and Dovydas went for a try.
Yeah, baby, first time.
How are you feeling?
Cherry broke perfectly.
You can see Kaunas is making super good progression in his second round. He's already going through the swimming pool, so I'm very glad. Stay straight, stay straight. Oh. Wow, look at this guy.
After the new wakeboarder was born, more advanced riders decided to hit the kicker.
One more important thing to mention is that it's very good to learn new tricks over here in the swimming pool, because you don't waste your time and energy riding around, but you repeat your trick many times in a short period of time till you make it. So there's no time for overthinking or hesitation, and it's a direct way to the success. By the way, operator, trainer is always nearby you, so it's gonna give you handy tips if you need it. So what else do you need, huh? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this session and see you next time. take of the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked and see you in the next one.